Hi friends, welcome to new tutorial. In this video I am going to show a special unique I love you concept photo editing tutorial. This is the image I am going to edit now. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. You can also edit your images exactly like this. Simply follow my video and download the background, and links I will give in description. You can go and download there. And remember friends, if you really enjoy this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, okay, and like the video and tap on the bell icon. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Now let's check this video without wasting time. First of all, you have to open Picsart application. Friends, now we are in Picsart application. Tap on Picsart and you have to tap on this plus icon, and you have to scroll down and you have to go to pick canvas, and now select any background, okay. Simply select any background. Now tap on pink arrow. Now what you have to do is you have to arrange like this. Tap on this white arrow and go to edit image. Now go to tools, you can see here tools. Now go to crop and scroll down and tap on this YouTube size. Now tap on this arrow. This is a background image. Now you have to go to add photo and select your model image. Friends, this is the model image I am going to edit now. You have to simply zoom in, okay. You have to zoom in your image like I am doing in the video, okay. You have to arrange your model image perfectly in the center, a little to the right side, okay. You have to arrange like this. Now bring down a little bit and it will be perfect. Now tap on this. Now you have to go to FX, you can see here, go to FX, and in this effect you have to tap on this effect and you have to scroll it to the left, okay. Scroll it to the left and you can see here black and white. Tap on this black and white. Now tap on this RGB, and R is a perfect. Now you have to fade out a little bit, okay. Make around 15, okay, 16 like this. Now tap on tick mark. Now what you have to do is you have to go to add photo and select the PNG, shadow PNG. Friends, this is the shadow PNG. Now simply zoom out like this, okay, and arrange in these portions. Now again tap on these layers, tap on this duplicate and again arrange in the portions like this, and it is perfect. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to add the red light PNG. Go to add photo and select the red light PNG. Friends, this is the red light PNG. Now simply zoom out like this and arrange in the portion like this, okay. In this portion, in this corner you have to arrange and decrease a little opacity. Now tap on these layers, tap on this duplicate and arrange another layer on the right side on the top, okay. Arrange in this portion like this. Now tap on this, it is a perfect. Now what you have to do is you have to scroll down and you have to go to draw and arrange it like this. Now we have to go to shapes and now select the shape, you can see, and scroll down, make it fill, okay. Now tap on these colors, tap the white color. Now simply draw like this, okay, draw like this and rotate a little bit and arrange in this portion, okay. Arrange in this portion, rotate a little bit. Now perfect. Now tap on these layers. Now take another empty layer. Now again go to shapes, tap on OK. Now go to colors, tap on this black color, okay. Now draw another layer like this and you have to arrange inside this like I am doing in the video. Friends, this video will take so much time, so do it carefully so you can edit perfectly, okay. And now decrease the shape like this. Now it is perfect, friends. Now tap on tick mark. Now you have to add original photo. Go to add photo and select this model image and you have to go to blend, make it screen and arrange your model image perfectly like I am doing in the video, okay. Arrange it like this. in the center. Perfect. Now by using this eraser you can erase these unwanted parts. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now we have to go to FX, go to colors, and we have to tap on the saturation and tap on tick, and perfect. Okay, done. Now we have to add I love you PNG. I created every PNG, friends. I will give every PNG link in the description. I only created every PNG. These are the two PNGs. First of all, I am going to add I love you PNG on this portion. Perfect. Now this love hot PNGs I will going to add in these portions like this. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now I am going to add a further few PNGs on the right side because here empty. Go to add photo. These are the two PNGs. Keep this PNG at right side, left, and bring it here, and you have to go to blend, make it screen, and arrange in these portions perfectly. Now bring this PNG, zoom out like this, and arrange in this portion. Perfect. Perfect, friends. Now tap on tick. Now what you have to do is you have to go to brushes, tap on this fourth brushes, and you have to scroll down a little bit, and you have to search for this one. Okay, this one. Now make this to 100 and little size to 100 and little opacity. Now draw here, draw here, draw here a little bit. Okay, okay, draw here and here, and in this portions a little bit. Perfect. Now tap on tick. Now go to tools, go to adjust, increase a little saturation, increase a little clarity, and increase a little contrast, and highlights a little bit. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick. Friends, finally our special I love you concept photo editing tutorial is completed. You can see how amazing and beautiful it is. Friends, if you really enjoy this tutorial, please consider subscribe. Okay, subscribe to my channel and tap on this bell icon. Okay, whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification directly. You can see my amazing tutorials. So I hope you also edit this type of editing. Okay, now go to draw, tap on these three dots and save this image. Friends, I really hope you learn this tutorial easily. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and share to your friends. See you in new video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.